Hello again, ChoroQ fans. This one is the fault of a viewer, Platinum Nath. You're always introducing me to ChoroQs, and so I went and got these things. Apparently, this is from a box set for the TV show 24. Kiefer Sutherland, I think, was the guy in that show. I never really watched it, so I don't recognize any of these vehicles, but they just look like crime prevention vehicles. CTU, counter-terrorist unit. Alright, let's take a look here. I guess we'll start with the police car. This thing's pretty cool. It's got a nice metallic blue on there. Oh, these things fall off my hands really easily because they're so short. The printing here seems to be all tampos. I can't read that text. Counter-terrorist unit. Okay, and then what's below it? US of A. Alrighty. So that's pretty good printing. It's quite small. So small I had a hard time reading it. I mean, it's smaller than the tip of this dental pick. It's got some sort of turbine-ish wheels. Maybe some black paint wash would make that nice. I think I saw this box set was sold for like $15 back when it was first out, which is like 2007. So for 15 bucks, you know, you can't expect a whole bunch of detail when there's 6 cars in the set, I think. Alright, let's see what else we have here on this toy. Got some painted headlights, some sort of bull brush guard here, and maybe that's a siren. I'm not sure what this box would be. CTU on the license plate is pretty cool. Some silver paint here, maybe that's like the reflectors or turn signals. The grill's got texture. CTU printed here. A little paint contaminant. There's the wind-up motor. All ChoroQs are pullback toys. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's got these little accessory lights, you know, to blind people or whatever, or searchlights, I guess they are. Then you got the clear, translucent police light there up on the roof. The 24 here, and then I think this trunk opens. Look at this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's got a shotgun and a pistol, maybe some magazines or something, some sort of box. So, pretty funny. You know, it's a toy, right? Yeah. Screwed together in the front and a tab in the back. Standard Choro-Q construction. And the tires never seem to age, for me at least. I have yet to have one that's cracked or anything like that. So, pretty good rubber material that they're using there. I've had paint crack, though, but not this one. So, alright, that's pretty cool. I like it. This next one is the ambulance. So nice printing again, and then it literally says 24. Some side lights painted red. On top, this light bar's got 2 different colors printed on it. This is reversed, so you know you'll see ambulance in your rearview mirror if this is following you. 24. Little grill, basic lights. Nothing else there. Then this thing folds down and the door opens here. Let's see what's in the back of this guy. Some headphones and 4 drawers and nothing else. Okay, interesting. Okay, oh, there's a diamond plate pattern here on the inside surface, so that's kind of cool. Do these open? They do not open. Okay. Alright, well, that's pretty neat, I think. Oh, that's actually having a hard time closing. Maybe if I actually kind of close them at the same time, that works. Some lights up here as well, and then this side no different. No fuel filler. Interesting. Yeah, it should all be the same, you know, 2007. It was all a box set. And the last one here is this CTU van, I guess. It's got the searchlights again. This time it's got a little yellow in here, so that's nice. CTU on the plate. I don't know if this is supposed to be a specific type of van. I'm not sure. I don't recognize it. There's no badge there, so I think it might just be a generic van. So this flips down. Interesting that they would have 24 there, but it's reversed. Right. strange. Oh, this is transparent, maybe? No, it's not transparent, so that's strange that they would print that reversed. Alright, so it looks like we have like a M4 or an AR-15, a flak jacket, a radio, some sort of electronics board, and some sort of satellite dish, which makes absolutely no sense. Oh, there's 2 pistols up in there. I wonder if this thing comes out. It looks like a separate piece, but I don't think it comes. I'm not sure. It doesn't seem to want to come out. Same with the machine gun. I think it's glued in place. Alright, well, still, it's kind of fun. That one closes no problem. Oh, that's pretty cool. CTU up there. Oh, I didn't even realize the ambulance says rescue on the top. Alright, CTU on there, CTU. Whole lot of CTU printed on there. Okay. And then, yeah, 2007, smoked base. So that is that. Alright, well, interesting. You know, I never really watched the show, but I kind of like these Choro-Qs because I can collect larger scale vehicles because Choro-Q shrinks them all down to around the same size anyways. I would never collect a 1/64 scale ambulance because I think it would be too huge. So here's a 1/64 green light. It's a mass police state trooper vehicle, and I got this because I used to live in Massachusetts. But it's not really, I don't know, I just don't really like police cars as far as 1/64 goes. Unless it's like a Lamborghini police car, I would definitely get one of those. But just regular trucks and Crown Victorias don't really get me going. So here's a top view. Alright. Not sure if I'm going to get the other 3. Looks like we have a black SUV with some other guns, a police SUV, can't really tell what's in the back of that one, probably more guns, and then a fire chief truck. So, I'm not sure. I'm pretty happy with these 3 for now because they don't really resemble any of my other Choro-Qs. Alright guys, well thanks for taking the time to tune in. We'll see you the next time around. Thanks.